Hello, Soul Biz Sisters. Welcome to the Soul Biz Sisters community, fostering the soul of your business.
I'm Nancy.
And I'm Penny. So, what is a soul business? We believe it's a business that empowers us and others. It's a business that transforms you. It's a business where your heart, your mind, your emotions, and your will are all in alignment.
So how do you find a soul business? Well, it's a business where your soul is in your business and your business serves the purpose of your soul. So how do you find one? If you already have found one, come on to our topics area and tell us what it was your path. How did you find your soul business? And if you haven't found one yet, come on in to the discussion and share with us how you think you'll find it. Will it find you, or will you go out and find your soul business?
We're curious, and we'd love to share on this topic so that we can empower all of us together.
Yes, learning together as women. So we'll see you in the topics discussions area of the Soul Biz Sisters community.
See you on the inside, sisters.
And at the top.